Welcome guys! Today I have for you a Cincinnati Model 20M centerless grinder. This machine is wired for 440 volts. One thing I'd like to mention is the two dressers up top, where our regulating wheel to the right hand side is manual. With this hand wheel, you could adjust the diamond over here with our hand wheel, if you will, to go up and down to touch your diamond. Make sure I'm not touching it. And then you could bounce your diamond all the way up and then jump over your wheel, if you will. Either or. And then you can make your adjustments by unlocking these so you could bring the whole dresser down or up depending on what you're doing. And then this side over here is going to be a hydraulic dresser. Almost the same concept to where you could just pop it up, skip right over the wheel and then bring it on down, and then also adjust your diamond. Once I get the hydraulics going in just a second, I will demonstrate that for you. So over here, we do have our hand wheel and our lever. So by pulling this lever up and down, we'll bring our head in or out just slightly. And then if you wanted to, you could undo this bolt right here, unlock it, and then you'll be able to spin the whole head freely. Until you either touch your part or whatever it is that you're trying to do. Lock it down, get that tight, and you're ready to start grinding. Off to the side over here, we do have our transmission with 12 different speeds. I'll get into that in just a moment. And then lastly, we do have a coolant tank out back. Currently doesn't have a pump in it yet, but we are just waiting on it. So there will be one provided for it. So with that being said, we'll get started with our hydraulics. This machine only takes 2 buttons. So once you start it, it will activate our hydraulics and also the regulating wheel, as you can see. And then there's a cup in the back that will slowly fill up with oil and hit a pressure switch, if you will, to indicate that our grinding wheel is ready to go. So if you could see with the camera, we are basically at that level right now. To activate the wheel, you'll just have to press the start button again, and we'll go ahead and do that. Really nice sounding spindle for that. And that's basically it. So you'd load your part up onto our holder right there, and then you would just go ahead and feed in. Whenever you're ready, you'll go ahead, pop it back, grab your part out, and you're ready to go again. This head is articulating, so you can loosen it up, and it looks like you're able to swivel it about 8 degrees in both ways. There is a nut in the back that will adjust for you. So with all that being said, we'll just get into our transmission now. So right now we are on the slowest speed, which I do believe is 12 RPMs. Let me see over here. Yeah, so right now I do have the machine set for the lowest at 12 RPMs, and it's a mixture of 3 handles and our little cheat sheet right here with all 12 speeds. So from there we'll just go on down to about 52 RPMs, which is telling me to go to 3 BC. So I'll just put this in neutral, bring that up to 3 B and C, and we'll be at 52 RPMs, which I will demonstrate right now. You see our wheel is going a little bit faster now. Let that just run out just for a minute. As you can see, our grinding wheel did turn on right away. That is because the cup in the back is filled with oil. Go ahead, turn that off, and we'll move on down to, let's do 129 RPMs. So now that I got this set up to 126 RPMs, I will go ahead and demonstrate that now real quick. We did lose a little bit of pressure, so our wheel isn't going to turn on. Might be able to right now. So now we just hit that mark, so our wheel is now on. And lastly, I'd like to go up to our fastest speed, which will be 300 RPMs. All right, so now I got the machine set up to its highest RPM at 300, and we'll go ahead and just play that out for the rest of the video. That's going at full speed. And we got our grinding wheel going as well. Go ahead, turn that off for you guys. And that will basically wrap that up for you. Again, this is going to be the Cincinnati Model 20M centerless grinder, wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.